The darkest mysteries science still can't explain. Somewhere in the noise, the silence, and the darkness, something doesn't add up. Signals appear where nothing should exist. And science is still searching for why. Not everything strange leaves evidence. Not every signal has a source. And not every mystery wants to be understood. Let's dive in. The Taos hum? A small desert town in New Mexico reported a mysterious, low-pitched hum. The phenomenon began in the early 1990s among a few residents. The sound was described as a constant, distant buzzing. It became known as the Taos hum. Most residents heard nothing at all. Only about 2% of people could detect the sound. Scientists investigated it as a possible environmental noise. Researchers from the University of New Mexico led the main study. They interviewed witnesses and installed sensitive recording equipment. No abnormal sounds or vibrations were ever recorded. Descriptions of the hum varied widely between individuals. This suggested multiple causes rather than one shared source. Speculation ranged from military experiments to UFO bases. No external physical explanation was ever found. Scientists now believe it may be an internal auditory phenomenon. FRB 202402098. Fast radio bursts were long thought to come from dying massive stars. They last milliseconds but release immense radio energy. Their intensity led scientists to link them to supernova-like explosions. A new discovery has challenged this assumption. A repeating FRB was traced to an ancient elliptical galaxy. Elliptical galaxies contain mostly old stars and no star formation. The signal was first detected in February 2024. 21 more bursts were recorded over 5 months. Radio telescopes pinpointed the source location. Optical telescopes identified the host galaxy. The galaxy lies about 2 billion light-years away. It is massive, ancient, and classified as a dead galaxy. The FRB came from far outside the galaxy's core. No other known FRB has originated so far from a center. Astronomers now suspect an unusual origin like a globular cluster. Levantine Iron Age anomaly. Scientists discovered a dramatic surge in Earth's magnetic field 3,000 years ago. The event occurred during the height of Mesopotamian civilizations. It coincided with the rise of Babylon and the spread of Iron Age technology. Evidence came from ancient clay bricks found in Babylon and nearby cities. The bricks recorded magnetic intensity when fired in kilns. Iron-rich minerals aligned with Earth's magnetic field at that time. Comparing bricks from different periods revealed the anomaly. The event is called the Levantine Iron Age geomagnetic anomaly. Earth's magnetic field normally shields the planet from radiation. The field is generated by molten iron moving in the outer core. During the anomaly, field strength exceeded 150% of today's level. Such extreme magnetic spikes are rare and short-lived. Their exact cause remains unknown to scientists. Models suggest temporary disruptions in core metal flow. The event reveals Earth's interior to be dynamic and unpredictable. Unknown cosmic rays, powerful sources. Astronomers unexpectedly detected an intense burst of ultra-high energy gamma rays. The signal came from far beyond the Milky Way. Its strength was nearly 10 times higher than predicted. The team was not searching for gamma ray anomalies. They were studying a directional pattern linked to the cosmic microwave background. The CMB shows a slight brightness imbalance across the sky. This is usually explained by Earth's motion through space. That motion should point toward the constellation Leo. Gamma rays were expected to follow the same direction. Instead, the excess appeared in the southern sky. Its intensity could not be explained by motion alone. Researchers then examined other high-energy signals. Ultra-high energy cosmic rays came from the same region. Their strength closely matched the gamma ray surge. This suggests a powerful and unknown cosmic source remains hidden. Deep sea flashback event. The team descended into total darkness, deep beneath the Indian Ocean. Sunlight vanished, leaving only black water and pressure. Suddenly, blue and green light spread through the depths. The glow was caused by a rare event called a flashback. Filmmaker Jacob Harrell and his team witnessed it firsthand. A flashback triggers many deep-sea creatures to glow together. It happens when artificial light sparks a bioluminescent chain reaction. Scientists do not yet understand why the response is synchronized. The expedition aimed to film the event and survey biodiversity. Flashbacks occur in the ocean's permanent night zone. Around 80% of deep-sea species can produce light. Bioluminescence may defend, communicate, or attract prey. Studying it is difficult because human lights disturb animals. The team used brief, controlled flashes to avoid disruption. At last, the ocean responded with drifting clouds of light, Saturn's dark beads, and six-pointed star. Astronomers aimed the James Webb Space Telescope at Saturn's North Pole. They expected familiar clouds and the famous hexagonal storm. Instead, Webb revealed strange dark shapes high above the hexagon. These appeared as small bead-like spots in the upper atmosphere. The beads formed a loose chain with unusual spacing. Nothing like them had ever been seen on Saturn or elsewhere. Webb then detected an even stranger feature below the beads. A warped, four-pointed, star-shaped glow appeared in infrared light. The structure was asymmetrical and completely unprecedented. Researchers were stunned by the unexpected discoveries. Scientists admit the features remain unexplained. The bead spacing suggests an unknown organizing force. Their alignment with the star-shaped glow may not be coincidence. Possible causes include magnetic effects or links to the hexagon storm. The findings show Saturn still holds alien and unsolved mysteries. Venus's anomalies. Venus was long considered a lifeless, hostile planet. That view shifted in 2020 with a possible phosphine detection. On Earth, phosphine is strongly linked to living organisms. The gas is unstable and would require constant production. This sparked excitement and strong scientific skepticism. Later studies failed to confirm the phosphine signal. The claim remains unresolved rather than fully dismissed. Other atmospheric mysteries on Venus still persist. Some gases coexist despite reacting quickly under normal chemistry. Their presence suggests an unknown replenishing process. Volcanism or solar-driven reactions could explain them. Another major puzzle is the unknown absorber in the clouds. Dark ultraviolet absorbing streaks have been seen for over a century. The absorber controls much of Venus's climate and energy balance. Some scientists cautiously consider cloud-based microbial life. Vanishing and appearing sources, VASCO. Astronomers realized some stars might vanish without obvious explosions. This idea inspired the VASCO project. VASCO compares century-old sky photos with modern surveys. It searches for objects that disappear or suddenly appear. In 2016, researchers compared 10 million stars across eras. Almost all matched except one strange object. A bright, star-like point appeared in 1950 but vanished later. Stars normally do not disappear without rare events. Possible causes include black hole collapse or stellar flares. Plate defects were considered but seemed unlikely. Researchers expanded the search to 600 million observations. They found 150,000 mismatches across 70 years of data. Most were explained by errors, motion, or variable stars. About 100 objects remained unexplained after filtering. Most are likely rare natural events, but some remain mysterious. Anita's upward radio pulses. Scientists searched for cosmic signals from the edge of the universe. They instead detected strange signals beneath Antarctic ice. The experiment was called Anita, a balloon with radio antennas. It floated 120,000 feet above Antarctica. Anita was designed to detect ultra-high energy neutrinos. Neutrinos rarely interact with matter and are hard to detect. A neutrino striking ice should create a detectable radio pulse. Most Anita flights detected nothing unusual, but several signals appeared during multiple missions. These signals seemed to come from below the horizon. That implied particles traveled upward through the Earth. Physics predicts such particles should not survive that journey. Other experiments detected nothing similar. Possible explanations include reflections or detector effects, A new experiment, PUEO, aims to solve the mystery. Something is happening. We can measure it, but we don't understand it.